Abundance here, and today we're going to be adding a table of contents using Google Docs. It's a pretty simple process. If you haven't already, make sure you format your book, and you can do that in the description below. I have a video on how to format your book using Google Docs. It's a pretty simple process. So first we're going to start off by selecting our chapter headings. So let's do that now. So let's start off with this. This is something that I want in my book. So whatever you highlight here and update, this will be the chapters of your book that are clickable within the ebook. So what you want to do is go over to Format, then you go to Paragraph Styles. Next, you go over into Heading 1 and apply Heading 1. So keep in mind that all your Heading 1s, all the chapters that you put as the heading 1 will be in your table of contents. Now we just need a blank page to put it. I'm going to put mine before the introduction. So we're going to go to Insert, and then we're going to go into Page Break. This will create a new page and start off, it will tell the ebook where to start off, and it will basically make a new page. So you want to go in here. Okay, so we're going to add our table of contents now. So we're going to go to Insert, and then we're going to go to a table of contents. And then I don't want page numbers because it's an ebook and it's also going to be a physical book, but we're going to do the links. So there we go. And that's pretty much your table of contents. Make sure to format your book or whatever, but this is pretty much what it will look like. I'm going to insert a real fast page break here, and then when you click this, it should take you to the table of contents. So whenever your reader clicks a link, they'll go to that chapter directly. So these are the chapters that I have into my heading 1. If you don't want any of these, like, I'm going to take this one out of here. And I'm not going to take it out of here, but I'm going to check out my other books. I'm going to actually put that as a heading 2 instead of a heading 1 in order to take that out of my table of contents. So just go through and do what you want, do what you will. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, one sad note, Amazon is not playing about table of contents now. Back in the day, you used to be able to upload a book and they wouldn't say anything. But now when you upload a book, it will say missing table of contents when you upload that book. So keep that in mind. And it's just so simple to do, especially in a platform like Google Docs. So just keep that in mind. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.